Hey, it's Noe with WTI. And have you ever felt guilty about bringing paper plates to an event or even serving them in your own home? Well, now you can feel happy and not guilty with this party pack of palm leaf plates from Chic. This party pack comes with 10-inch plates, 7-inch plates, forks, knives, and spoons, napkins, and even cups. One of my favorite things about not feeling guilty is that these palm leaf plates are friendly to nature. Each plate has a unique look to it. Because it's made out of palm leaves, no two plates look alike. These plates are durable. These make a beautiful placement on a table, at a family gathering, or any special event you may be having. These 10-ounce cups are great to have on hand, whether you're serving coffee, tea, or even want to take it on the go. This party pack is great because it can feed a large number of people. So whether you're having an outdoor event or an indoor event, these plates have given us so many compliments from our friends and family that have come over. So if you want to take the worry out of preparing for your next event and are looking for a great way to elevate any dining experience, then check out this beautiful palm leaf party pack set from Chic. And that's my point of view.